So what are we doing today, Pat?
It looks like we're going to be taking some bicycles down a trail. We're going to be heading to the White Cliffs of Conoy. Now, we have all this camera gear, right? What's in store? What are we going to actually do?
Well, today we're going to go down to the White Cliffs and take a do a photo shoot.
Doing a photo shoot.
All right.
White Cliffs.
The White, yeah, that's right. White Cliffs. All right, we'll see you there. You guys are going to walk. We'll bike there. We'll see you there. We're on our way.